Hi, if you want to add another manager or even an owner to your Google business profile, then it's a fairly simple and straightforward process. If you type in the name of the business that you're wanting to change, you'll get this page. And if you've got control, if you're logged into your Google account and you've got control of the listing, you'll get a screen like this. The three-dot menu here is where you need to go. Business profile settings, and then the first choice is managers. Click on that, and then you can add another manager. And let's say we're going to add me hippie alter ego. Add them, and you can make them either an owner or a manager. I'm just making this character a manager. Your invite and an email is sent to that Gmail address. They can answer that, confirm it, and they'll then have access to the profile so they can help you keep it up to date. Okay, hope that's helpful. Ta-da for now.